What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a 2023 Toyota RAV4. This is a new one with the new infotainment system. So the screen looks a little bit different. I think it got a little bit bigger too. And once again, we're gonna be installing another PA2 T3 plug-and-play micro power amplifier. It's very, very easy to install. Probably only take you maybe 10 minutes to do so. Everything's plug and play. And it all connects behind the radio. You do not have to route a separate wire from the battery through the firewall. It takes the power from your head unit and then it's enough to power this small amplifier. That'll make all the difference with how your sound system will sound. So it's a really big improvement. It's one of our most underrated products that we carry. Very, very excited to do another installation video. So let's not waste any time, get in the vehicle and get started. All right guys, so now that we're in the car, first thing we want to do is remove the panel behind the screen. Very, very easy. You could use any panel removal tool like this. Make sure you use a plastic one so you don't scratch your interior. And then we are going to press it in between the dash and this panel piece. And then you gotta lift up to release the clips. And then here you go. Very easy. And once that's removed, it's gonna expose 4 10mm bolts. Go ahead and use a 10mm socket, turn it counterclockwise, and remove them. Okay, once it's removed, go ahead and just pull it out towards you. Just being held by clips. All right, and once this is out, go ahead and lay a thick towel right under it, like so. Okay, so once this is out, go ahead and get your amplifier. Okay, and then you'll find the plug and play harness here. Check this yellow line, it has bullet connector on it. Just make sure it's connected because sometimes it doesn't come connected. Connect it like so. And go ahead and get behind the radio. The 2 connectors we're gonna be working on, this middle one and also one on the right. So, it's gonna go ahead and press down on the release tab and pull out. Don't pull on the wire, always pull out on the connector. We're gonna remove these 2 ones on the top just so it gives us a better clearance to work on this. So we'll go ahead, this is the speaker cable. Okay, let me go ahead and connect this one first. This is just plug and play. All right, there it is. And then the other side of this harness will connect to our amplifier, like so. And then this side of the amp will connect to the car side. And then we'll connect this harness, the white part to our amp and the other side to the radio, like so. So basically we're getting the signals from the radio goes to our amp, and from our amp it is going to the car right here. Okay, so this is the output and this is the input. All right, and we're going to go ahead and connect this using an 8mm socket. I'm going to go ahead and ground it to the side of the radio. Okay, when you do this, try to not block the fan that's in front of it. Okay, so before we tidy everything up, let me go ahead and test this to make sure we hear some sounds and it's working. All right, so we went ahead and tested, everything is working. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insulate this device a little bit. So when I mount it behind the radio, it won't rattle. So I'll get some foam tape and I am just going to put 2 strips on either edge. So you could either do this or you could add some double-sided tape. It's just up to you how you want to mount it behind the radio. All right, so in the RAV4, there's actually a lot of room on the right side, okay? So go ahead and mount it there. And also don't forget to reconnect these 2 connectors if you pulled it out, like how we did. I'm just gonna leave it out for a moment until we finish mounting this amp. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. Do your best to not tangle or cross any wires and cables while you're doing this. It's inevitable to do it perfectly, but just do your best. All right, so let me go ahead and bolt the 4 10mm bolts back, reinstall the panel, and then we'll do the after to show you how much difference it made. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do a before and after, show you the comparison. So we set the volume to 25. We're gonna go ahead and play some music here. And we're gonna play the same music with our amp. Alright guys, well this concludes our installation demonstration of our PA2 P3 plug-and-play micro power amplifier for the newer Toyota. I can't say enough, guys, it's one of the most underrated products that we carry, and it will transform the way your car sounds. And it will sound better than the factory equipped JBL. So if you want a better sound system, before you change out your speakers, give this a try. You will be very satisfied, guarantee it. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, drop a line below, or you can email us at bsonikusa.com. If you haven't yet, help us by subscribing and liking our video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah.